Alright everyone, welcome back. So I wanted to do a second flip and drag. This time a little bit of my flair to it, so doing half and half black and half Blick acrylic brass. And the base, I actually used this base a while ago on a bottle bottom where I did the greens and everything, and I absolutely love the way this stuff dries, so we're going to use that as a base. The canvas we're using today is a Master's Touch. It's the Classic Collection Artist Canvas, which is gallery wrapped, and it's 10 by 20. So let's get started. The colors are all color shift except for the golden interference and the muted pearl. So we're adding interference violet and then all the color shifts. So we sprayed our cut down already, and we're just getting ready to start with the muted pearl, and let's get the rest of the colors in. Alright, so we have all our colors in. I did a little swirl inside of it. Now let's flip it over and attempt this flip and drag. I always say attempt. Oop. That came out quickly, but here we go. Alright everyone, so here we have it. Make sure there's enough light for you guys. But I am in awe. I'm absolutely in love with the way this turned out. I wasn't expecting this, and I'm excited for it. As you saw, I did play a little bit. I added a little bit more black because it felt a little bit too disconnected, but when this dries, this is going to be really dark brass color down here. So this is going to pop, and I can't wait to see this dry, because the matte, like the non-shiny part is going to be the black right up in here and maybe a little bit in here, but the rest of this is going to have that sheen, and I'm excited. Let me see if I can grab the other one to show you how that dried. Here's the other one. Look at all that shine. I have to put baby powder on it now and make sure that it gets all nice and clean and any residue or any silicone gets cleaned off first. But I think this is going to be one of the ones that I resin. Yeah. So I'm excited to see how this one turns out. So until then, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Hope you guys enjoyed this. When these are all dry and set and done, I will be posting pictures of them. So if you want to check them out, they'll be on my Instagram and on my Facebook. And hopefully I remember to post them over on the Pirage Posse for you guys. Anybody that is in the Pirage Posse over on Facebook. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I will see you guys later. Bye!